With us now is Patrick Haan, head of petroleum analysis at Gas Buddy. Patrick, welcome.
Thanks for having me, Tony.
I certainly can't remember the last time I saw a 99-cent price. This seems like a bit of a milestone here that we've hit.
Yeah, it's certainly been a while, and it only happened briefly during the pandemic back in 2020. So if you blink, you might have missed it. So it's been a long time coming. But as you mentioned now, some of the lowest prices in Canada are in Alberta. In fact, in Calgary, the wholesale clubs down below that dollar a liter mark. Over a dozen stations now that we're tracking are below that dollar a liter mark, though the average is a few cents higher in Calgary, somewhere around the 104.9 range. But as you mentioned, it's been a long time coming. Low oil prices, thanks to increased in oil output from OPEC, as well as refineries raising production now that maintenance is over, coupled with lower weak demand. Canadians and Americans tend to stay closer to home in colder weather. All of that has paved the way for some of these multi-year lows to resurface.
Patrick, here in Southern Ontario, I saw $1.08 not too long ago. So, I mean, I feel like this theme is consistent across the country. What is early 2026 expected to bring?
Yeah, Tony, I think it's going to be continued good news, at least for the next 6 weeks or so. Some of the lowest gas prices should stick with us through the early part of the winter, maybe midwinter. But we traditionally will start to see prices going back up starting in mid to late February. So there's still this 6-week window of opportunity to enjoy these relatively low prices before the seasonality starts going the other way, increasing demand as temperatures warm up, and eventually the switch back to summer gasoline. So enjoy these lows, but I do expect that the good news should continue in 2026. We're expecting a fourth straight year of declining yearly average gas prices when we roll into 2026. So the good news should continue.
Okay, appreciate this snapshot. It's definitely news we can use. Patrick Haan, head of petroleum analysis at Gas Buddy. Thanks, Patrick.
Thanks, Tony.